Hello children, good morning to all. So here we will continue with session number 4. Yesterday we have done few topics. So first we will take one quick recap. So here our class begin. So children, in our previous class we discussed about table of contents. What is table of content? Table of content is the table which containing content, or in a general term we can say that index of our document. Okay, and table of content, it is a feature that MS Word provides us so that we can build an automated table of content from the heading in our document. Manually we can create this table of content also, but that one is a complicated process. So in place of that, we can this MS Word provide this facility that we can insert our table of content. Means we are only inserting heading there, and it will automatically create this table of content by taking those headings. And the table of content can be updated when we change the heading text sequence or level. If we are doing any changes in the heading, so table of content means that index page will automatically do that changes in the table of content. Children, in our previous class we discussed about that how we can add this table of content. So our first topic is that how we can add this table of content. So this time I am taking this document, and this time I am taking this one big document of 18 pages and total approx 10 chapters, means that complete text I am dividing into 10 chapters, and in this I am giving different headings. So this chapter number 1, children, here I am giving 3 types of heading. Chapter number 1, you will check, this one is heading 1. Here is basics of computer, means subheading of this chapter 1, so I am giving this heading 2 style. And introduction is the sub part of this basic of computer, so here I am giving heading 3 to this. And in the same manner I am giving that complete document. In this I am dividing the complete text in this manner only. Total this one is your chapter number 2. Here I am giving this chapter 2 is the main heading, so I am giving this one as heading 1, and this basics of tab heading 2, and home tab heading 3. You will check this one. Home tab here is heading 3. Children, in this document I am taking heading 4 also, means any subheading of this home tab. So I am taking heading 4 also. Okay, so what is the in your syllabus now, one term is there, that hierarchy of headings. One term is there, that is hierarchy of heading. Here is hierarchy of headings. What does it hierarchy of heading means? Hierarchy means this heading inside heading, or we can say na, that in multi-level list we are saying that in that tables. So hierarchy means heading inside heading. Why we are giving say this different heading to these definition or these terms? So that we can differentiate that chapter 2 is the main heading of this, and basics of tabs is the subheading of this, and home tab is the subheading of this basics of tab, and this insert tab is the subheading of this home tab. This one is hierarchy. And in this references tab, how we can create this table of heading? References tab, here is table of contents. In table of contents group, when you are clicking on this, here you can see that 3 options are there. One is manual table, means it will give you that table of content, but here it will give you this manual. Now you will place the heading here. So children, in bracket what is written there? Level 1, level 2, level 3. Level 1 means main heading, level 2 means subheading of this main heading, level 3 means subheading of this level 2 heading. Okay, this term is known as hierarchy of heading. And here is this that some space is there between these. What is this? What it means? That this one is heading 1, means the main heading, and in this one is little bit small in size. This one is heading 2, or the part of this heading 1. This is level 2, and this one is the small in size. It means this one is a part of level 2, and this level 2 is a part of level 1. In your book also, na, that main topic is there, and in that subtopic is there, subtopic is there. So in this manner we are placing this table of content. So first I am removing this table of content. Now we will start with we are inserting this table of content in the beginning of the document. So we will go there in the beginning of the document. Total I am taking 10 chapters, dividing this content in 10 chapters, and I am taking this content with the rand command. Rand means random. Okay, I want to insert what? I want to insert this table of content. How we can insert this thing we already discussed in our previous class. Click on references tab. Here in references tab, table of contents option in table of content group. Here we are having so many options. 2 automatic table are there and 1 is manual table. Manual table recently we have seen that 2 automatic table are there. And even you can select what is the difference between these two. Only here content is written and here is table of content is written. Here is heading are given in hierarchy manner in both the tables. Okay, heading 1, in heading 1 heading 2 is there, and in heading 2 heading 3 is there. In this manner, देखो, heading 1, in heading 1 heading 2 is there, heading 2 heading 3 is there. This one is hierarchy. Okay, I am selecting this one. When I am clicking on this one, what happened? That table of content, this one will be introduced in this one. I want to replace this one. Okay, I want to replace this one with second one. So click on this one. So what is the difference between these two? Here table of content is written, and in this you will check all the chapters name are automatically added in this table of content. In this manner we can insert indexes. Now I am removing this chapter 1. I am shifting to the next page, page number 2. Children, look, one term is there. You will check chapter number 1 and it is on page number 1. Okay, now I am shifting this chapter number 1 content from page number 1 to page number 2. Just wait for a minute. Here is chapter 1. Now with the help of enter key, I am shifting this page, chapter 1 on page number 2. Okay, page number 2 or 3, page number 4. Now look, again we are checking this table of content. You will check, still it is given that it is on page number 1. Chapter number 1 starts from page number 1, but we right now we shifted it on else page. So this table of content page number, how we can update this table of content. Now today's topic, how we can add this, we have already discussed in our previous class. Today's topic is how we can update this table of content. Addition done, this thing we have already done. Next is updating the table of content. If any something we are updating inside the content, then how we can update this table of content. For updating this table of content, here is the option update table, or on this references tab, here is the option update table. Click on this one. When you are clicking on this one, you are getting this 2 options are there. Children, in this 2 options are there. Either you can do it from here, or if you are clicking on this update table, here also you will get the same window. Okay, update page number only or update entire table. If you are clicking update page number only, it will update only the page number. I am clicking OK. You will check page number now change to 4. Okay. If I am clicking update entire, if I am clicking on this one, update entire table, then if you have done any updation inside, suppose any heading 3 is level 3 is there. Now I am updating it to level 4. Look, I will do some changes. This one is chapter 2, chapter 1 में कर देती हूँ. This one is chapter 1, level 1 heading, basics of computer, level 2 heading. And introduction is the part of this basics of computer. So I will do the updation in this introduction. Okay, so first I will do the updation in this introduction. I'll do this change in this heading. I am selecting this on home tab. In styles, I'll give this heading 2. Okay, now I am changing internal, means in the content of the table. Now again go there on table of contents. Okay, again I am clicking update table, and now this time I am clicking update entire table and then click OK. You will check this introduction. Before this one is a part of this basics of computer. Now this time introduction is also coming in level 2 heading. Okay, so this one is updating the content of the updating the table of content. How we can do? References tab, click, and then here table of content group, here update table option. Right now we have seen na that where this option is available, click on this references tab. Here is table of content, here is update table option. When you are clicking on this one, two options are there, update page number only or update entire table. If I am clicking update page number only, then it will update only the page number of the table of content. If I am clicking update entire table, so if you have done any changes in the heading also, then that will also be updated. Okay, so here updating table of contents. So update table option, dialog box appear. Here two options are there, update page number or update entire table. Okay children, so our next topic is creating a custom table of content. Custom table of content, what it is? In your syllabus also one topic is there na, custom table of contents. So this one is my table of contents. Okay, here so many options are there. Here in references tab, here in table of contents, when you are clicking on this one, here is the option insert table of contents. Click on this one. When you are clicking on this one, this window will appear and the name of the window is table of contents. And in this table of content, here click on this table of contents, and here you will check print preview. Print preview means how your content will display. Here is heading 1, main heading, heading 2, heading 3. Children, you can do the updation in this also. You can change this heading also from here. Click here. Which one? Formats. Here is from templates. From here you can select any option. I'll show you that what updation we can do. Here is formats. Formats means from here you can select any one, and with this can change the format of this table of content. First one is from template I am doing. Here I am clicking on this classic option. You will check that print preview is changed. Heading 1, then heading 2 and heading 2 inside, and there heading 3. Or we can change distinctive, or we can change fancy. You will check that different table headings are there, different formats are there. From here you can change these format. Fancy, this one is modern. From here we can do the updation in the format if you want to change this format of this table of contents. Here two things are written, one is print preview and one is web preview. Web preview means how it will look. Here it is written, use hyperlink instead of page number. Okay children, your this suppose I am creating this book. Okay, this one is my chapter index. Here these can act as hyperlink also. Hyperlink, you understand na? When you are clicking on that one, you will move on to that one. You will check what is written there, that control plus click to follow this link. I want to open this chapter 3. One method is there, using scroll bar I can do, or second option is press control and click from the keyboard. When you are clicking on this one, you are automatically move on to that chapter. Okay, so they can act as hyperlink also. So in this manner we can place that hyperlink also. So again we are discussing about how we can customize this table of content. So for this, click on references tab, table of contents, and in this insert table of content. Now this window here, print preview, means your headings are appeared in this form. If web preview is there, then it will appear on this form. Here is use hyperlink instead of page number. Children, this time I am disabling this. Okay, and then now I am clicking OK. Yes. Now look, now I am using control key and click from my keyboard. I am doing, look, nothing will happen. Means this time that hyperlink will moved. Okay, removed. So if you want to insert hyperlink, so click on insert. Here is table of content, and here is the option use hyperlink instead of page number. Okay, now after this two terms are there, show page number. if I am clicking on this, you will check the that preview, that page numbers are now disabled. If I am clicking, it shows the page number. Right align page number, if I am clicking on this one, then page number are here. If I am clicking on right align, then all the page number they are aligned rightly. Next one is tab leader. Tab leader, it represent that in between what you will use. If I am clicking on this dashed line, it will show that line in dash manner. If I am clicking on this, you will check, it will show dotted line. Okay. Next is format. Format I am shown. Children, here two options are there. One is option and one is modify. If modify option is inactive, what you will do? Click on formats option. Click on this from template. When you are clicking on this one, it will this shows the modify option now activated. Next is show level. Level means heading level. Okay, from here we can insert or increase, decrease the level of heading. If I am clicking here I am giving show levels 9, and here you can check in the preview that till level 9 heading it will show. Okay, if I am clicking here 5 and you will check this preview here, it will show you the heading till level 5. Suppose in my document, I am giving 6 level headings, so it will only display till 5 only, because here I am showing the level 5 only. From here, if I am changing it now to level 2, see, it will show only 2 level of heading. Okay, suppose in my document I am using 3-4 level of heading, but in the table of content it will display only 2 headings, heading 1 and heading 2. So from here, this show levels, you can increase, decrease the heading level. Okay, in this manner you can do the customization. So children, now here two options are there. One is option and one is modifier. When you are clicking on option, here you will check. Right now what I have done, that in that formats I am changing the heading level. There I am placing till 5 only level, heading level. So it will display that only 5 headings you are taking. And table of content level, first you are taking heading 1, then heading 2, heading 3 and heading 4 and heading 5 only. Okay, you can reset it from here also. You can change the heading. Dekho, by default 3 are there. Now you can reset it. You can increase, decrease the level of heading in your document. I have done 3 only, so it will display 3 only. Okay, one option is there, modify. When you are clicking on this, here is table of content 1. If you want to do the editing in this table of content, size means that table of content 1 means heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. If you want to do modification, children, this is style. Here table of content, in this, from here you can do the updation in this table of content level. Look, this one is table of content 2, ticket 2. So here click on this modify. You will check that preview, that body is there and what are the formatting here. You will click on this for modify option. From here you can do the updation in table of 2 content, means level 2 heading 2. Okay, I am making it black color. I'll increase this size from 11 to 14. Done. And whatever the updation I am doing here, it will be automatically applicable on this table of content. Do you want to replace the selected table of content? Yes. You will check that level 2 heading, this one is level 1, level 2 mein maine change kiya this one, and I am increasing the size. So here you will check that size of this one increased. Now I want to do the updation in level 1 heading also. For this, click on references tab, click on table of content. This one is customization. Okay, click on insert table contents. This window will appear. Here is, click on this modify option. Here is table of content 1. Click on this modify option, and from here you can do the changes in this one. I'll select it to 16. Okay, chapter देखो यहाँ पे preview दिखाया. चैप्टर में 1 है, वो है टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट 1, हेडिंग 1 जो है वो ये है. ठीक है, आई एम डूइंग द अपडेशन हेयर. आई एम इंक्रीजिंग द साइज ऑफ दिस वन. आई एम क्लिकिंग ओके. नाउ ओके एंड ओके. यस, डू यू वांट टू रिप्लेस इट? यस, देखो उसने जो लेवल 1 की हेडिंग थी, इट इंक्रीज द साइज ऑफ दिस लेवल 1 हेडिंग. Okay children, this one is customization. Next topic is देखो, क्रिएटिंग अ कस्टम ऑफ टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट्स इज रेफरेंसेस टैब से करना है, एंड ऑन विच रेफरेंसेस टैब वी विल क्लिक ऑन टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट ग्रुप, एंड टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट ग्रुप में विच ऑप्शन, टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट ऑप्शन, and here you will click on insert table of content option. By this you are inserting and dialog box appear, and here few options are there: print preview, web preview, hyperlink, tab leader. Tab leader represent this indication, this one, ये बीच में है ना, this one dark line, this one dark line, and this light line or without line. These things we are set with the tab leaders. Okay, so next is show levels. Levels, right now I have shown you na that 3 levels by default it will take. You can increase decrease the heading level with this show levels. Option and modify options I have shown you recently, that with this we can change, increase decrease the size of table of contents. Children, next topic is formatting the text in the table of content. How we can format the text? For this, modify option is there. Recently I have shown you that this one is your table of content. You want to modify this, click on table of contents option. Here is insert table of contents option. This window will appear. Here is modify option. From modify we can increase decrease the size of any heading or any table of content option. Okay, from here we can do the updation. Click on this modify option, and same window will appear, that appear in styles. This one is table of content one. It will be applicable on chapters. Okay, from here we can do. Done? Yes. Okay, next topic is formatting. Done. Deleting a table of content. If you want to remove your table of content from this, what you have to do, you will go there on this table of content. First option is, here is the option, click on this one. Here click on this down arrow. Here is the option remove table of content, click on this one. Done. Again I will show how we can do. Click on this one. ठीक है, और second option is click on references tab, table of contents group. Here is table of content, and here is the last option. Here is the option remove table of content. It will be removed. Okay, or if you want to remove the text only, first select this, selection done. If you want to remove this text only, click delete from the keyboard. It will remove only the content of this table of content. If you want to remove the entire, click on this remove table of contents. So children, this table of content option today we will complete it. Tomorrow we will take one quick recap of this table of content, and then we will continue with mail merge topic. And at last, mail merge is the last topic of this unit. And at last we will again take one quick recap, means that entire revision tour of the entire unit of this MS Word. And if you found any problem in any topic, you will tell this to me. And at last I am repeating all the topic at once. Okay, so don't worry about it. And this topic again we will discuss in our tomorrow's class with this revision tour, and then we will move on to our next topic. Topic is mail merge, that we will discuss in our next class. Till then, do revision from this video, and thank you so much. If you are having any query, you will ask this to me. I am there to help you out. Okay children, so do revision. Again I am giving you quick recap what we covered in our today's class, that in references tab, here is the option table of content. How we can add? First you will place your document. From here you can place any of the table of content option. Here is insert table of contents. When you are clicking on this one is customization. From here print preview क्या होता है, web preview कैसे होता है. If you are clicking on this one तो hyperlink show करेगा. If you want page number, it will display page number. If you are disabled this, it will remove page number. Right alignment of page number, if you are disabled this, it will show page number there with heading. If you are clicking on this one, it will show page number on right side. Tab leader represent that between this, that dark line you required, dash line you required, or none of these you require. Okay, from here you can do. Next is format. Format means here different formats are available. When we are clicking on any format, it will show you different format. From here you can do. Next is show level. By default 3 level of heading it will display. You can increase decrease the size of the heading. From here you can check, we can increase decrease. Here are the two options, one is options and one is modify. When you are clicking on this option, from here you can reset the heading level. Okay, next is this modify option. If disabled, click on this table head, this one format option, click select from template. When you are selecting this modify option, now enable. Now from here you can do the editing in any table of content heading. You can check that here it is given that what is there in this table of content, what is there in this heading. You can increase decrease the size or anything from with this modify option. When you are clicking on this, you will select, you can change anything. From here you can change color also, or anything you can do. This click OK. In level 4 heading I have done this changes, click OK and then click OK. Yes, in this table of content I am taking level heading 4 also. Here you will check that change case, this one is now of green color. Okay, so in this manner we can insert or we can do customization in table of content. One updation is there, one update table option is there. When you are clicking on this, two options appear, page number only or the entire table. From here you can do the updation. Okay, next is how we can remove. Click on this table of content, here is the option remove table of content, or from here also we can do the updation where we can remove the table of content. How? Here you will click on this drop down arrow, here is the last option remove table of content. When you are clicking on this one, that table of content will be removed. So children, these topics we discussed in our today's class. So thank you so much for listening me. Now in tomorrow class we will take one revision tour of this one and then we will start with mail merge. Okay class, thank you so much. Thank you for listening me. Thank you class. Thank you.